Hello everybody, this is Pooja Bedi and clearly I am in the eye of a storm with all my tweets regarding my journey from Mumbai to Goa and the appalling quarantine facilities that we were subjected to. I'd like to start by stating we did everything as very good law-abiding citizens. We applied to the Goa government online and uploaded all our documents, which include the fact that my fiancé Manik contractor is Goan. And what that means is that his voting card, his Aadhaar card and his passport are registered to Goa. The homes that we possess and our properties are registered in Goa, and our businesses are also registered in Goa. Goa is our home. We then also got permission from the DGP to travel through the state of Maharashtra, which we had to apply for. In addition to that, we also had a screening certificate in hand, which was mandatory to state that we were not symptomatic of the coronavirus. We arrived in Goa at the border at about 7 p.m. We were there, kept there till about 9:30 p.m. and I must say that the Goa police were extremely nice, very courteous, very kind, doing their job. It's not their fault that the screening facility they took us to at Asilo in Mapasa was really unsanitized, and the fact that we waited 2 hours in line like good citizens, once again, no favors asked. We were then taken by police escort once again to the Kalangut residency annex, where we were kept as that's like a quarantine facility with a police person there, not to protect us, but to protect all of Goa against the outsiders, all the outsiders in this quarantine facility that could come and infect them. And you know, if you look at that quarantine facility, the video of which I have uploaded previously on Twitter, you will understand my outrage. Here we are coming from sanitized homes in a sanitized car, hoping to go into yet another sanitized home, and we're subjected to facilities like that. I can't understand why the Goans are outraged about the fact that I spoke up about the state of the facility, because it is in the interest of Goa that quarantine facility be kept safe and sanitized. Coronavirus will come on the backs of people. It doesn't look to see whether you're Goan or whether you're non-Goan. It is not the outsiders that are bringing the coronavirus in. It could be anybody. It could be a package. It could be a delivery system. It could be people. The virus does not discriminate. And I'd really like to tell every single person out there who's watching this video that we have become such a divisive, cruel, fearful, negative society that we view everything with such suspicion and such disdain and such incredible fear psychosis. We've forgotten how to be human. We're so busy lambasting and slamming people that we've forgotten the very importance of being kind and of the fact that we're all Indians at the end of the day. We've created these borders and these controls, but the virus doesn't see these borders. We humans do. Whether you're from Jammu and Kashmir, whether you're from Goa, whether you're from Karnataka, whether you're from Kerala, whether you're from Maharashtra, we're all Indians at the end of the day. And we need to look out for each other. And that's exactly what we were doing. We were following due process of law. We were looking out for each other. And if in any way I am speaking up and my voice is heard, it's all the better, because that facility today may be sanitized because somebody has made note of it, made mention of it, and made public of it. I really appreciate the fact that you Goans who are watching this video, who have basically been the ones lambasting me for entering this state of Goa, please know that this is my home too. And please know that every Indian should be at home in every state. I love you all. And it is not a question of a celebrity entering a state that should be viewed with such prejudice, because celebrities are human too. And by the way, for your information, this celebrity is Goan by heart, and I have every intention of settling in this state in every possible way. Please show love and show kindness and show decency, because that's what I believe Goans represent and are made up of. I love all of you. Please take care and stay safe and stay open-minded and stay kind, most importantly, and stay sanitized.